Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Boucherville, Quebec, is a charming town found along the St. Lawrence River, just a short drive from Montreal. Boucherville has a rich history, as it's one of the oldest communities in Quebec, founded back in 1667 by Pierre Boucher. The town began as a small farming settlement, and was protected by a wooden palisade to keep settlers safe. Over time, it grew, and today it's a mix of beautiful old architecture and modern living. One of the highlights here is Old Boucherville, which is a designated heritage site. Walking through this area feels like stepping back in time. You'll see historic buildings, including St. Famille Church, one of the oldest in Quebec, originally established in the 1670s. There's also Marie-Victorin Boulevard, which offers beautiful views along the river, and easy access to the nearby Boucherville Islands. These islands are a popular spot for kayaking, bird-watching, and enjoying nature right next to the city. Today, Boucherville is a vibrant community with around 42,000 residents. It's known for its outdoor activities and hosts events like the Triathlon de Boucherville. Locals and visitors alike enjoy the many parks, trails, and sports facilities. The town also takes pride in preserving its green spaces, and offers activities that respect the natural environment. So, whether you're here for a peaceful stroll through the historic district, a day out on the river, or just to relax and take in the scenery, Boucherville has a little something for everyone.
Thanks for watching!